Yo, what's up, internet? Brian is your favorite developer with skill issues back at it again, and I've come again with another video on regarding my startup. Right, I started a startup, a social media management tool, more especially for businesses and e-commerce stores, and yeah, I have an update about that today. So now, in the last time, I had done the first half of the feature set, right? So now this time I was working on the other half, the second half of the feature set, which is basically what I'm integrating AI into the platform, because like AI is everywhere, and everybody's obsessed with AI. So I thought I was hey, we might as well use AI in it, right? Because everybody's hyping this shit up, so might as well use the AI. So today I have implemented just the front end design, right? Because I ain't trying to look into too many dogs. We'll do that on the next video. In the next video, then I'll be looking over at integrating the AI. But for right now, I've implemented the front end, the design of it. And first things first, I'm just gonna show you the initial design I'd come up with on my the OG design tool, which is pen and paper. So when I look at the design I did on pen and paper, because I'm not the best Figma user, so I'm probably gonna have to learn how to use Figma down the line. But for now, I'm gonna show you the pen and paper design, and then I'm gonna take you over to my laptop, and then we're gonna see how I designed it. And then yeah, I'm also just doing this so that down the line I can just look back at this video and just look yo, you know what, we've actually made a lot of progress, right? Because this is also just about me being able to look back and see the progress that I have made so far, right? So let's take a look at your boys' designs, and don't judge me, I am not the best designer in the world, bro. I scribbled this up and hey bro, let's just see in it. Let's just see. Yo. So yeah. yeah. So this is your boy's revolutionary design of the AI video generator. So yeah, we start with a pretty simple, well-known, super simple design. We have our dashboard, our nav bar on the side. Only is 3 options, which is the dashboard, to generate, and some templates, right? The dashboard is your home page. The generate is when you generating new videos or new content, and templates are templates I will provide for you. That is if I actually make them. I'm probably gonna implement grow the app so that the community can provide, but I'll also probably provide some own templates of my own. And here we'll have our currently logged in user. You see this guy, he's logged into the app, he loves it, type sheet. So yeah, other than that, the main dashboard of the app, so I hope you can clearly see this, right? So the main, we have you can search for videos, and then you can add a new, generate a new, new content, or you can organize by folders and shit. And then this is what the content will look like. So now you'll have, this is the header image, the main image that it will be generated for. And then each piece of content will have a title and the date it was created. That's all it will have. Super simple and straight to the point. Next page we have is our generate page. So inside our generate page, still have the same side navbar, but this time we can generate content based on different categories. So we can have AI videos, which is the base, and AI image, which everyone I'm pretty sure if you're online, you've pretty heard of AI images and shit. So you can also generate AI images. And then next up is AI product videos. So what does this do? Pretty much, since I had already said before, it's for businesses and e-commerce owners, more so e-commerce. And because of that, you sell products, and you can just copy the link of the product, the URL, paste it in, and then it will generate the video for you using AI. So now these like points I've added here is just like extra points to guide me. So each video will have like a description, the duration, the tone, the style of it, its size, the aspect ratio, and all that information, right? I hope this is not overwhelming and you like my design and it just doesn't rip your eyes out because of just how bad it is, but we bore. Next up is our editor page. So because AI is AI, it might like generate something you might not like. So we have an editor where you can actually edit it. So we have the scenes here, and bro, like the explanation, scenes are scenes, and maybe like down the line I'll explain it much better, but I just hope like, okay, scenes are just like individual parts of like your video, because a video is pretty much what, a sequence of images that are like looped over like 60 times per second. So that is what a video is. So these scenes are the individual frames of your video. I hope you understand that. Yeah. Next up is like the actual video preview, where you can actually play the video and see what it looks like. And here we can edit out the video. So you can edit, we have like the text, the media and images, the audio, like any like special effects, shapes, and an avatar, like an AI avatar. And this might be like too much to like include initially, so I'm gonna save this for like down the line, but I just included it in the design because it just looked cool, and like 5 boxes would not have looked as cool. And then we have our video title, and we can actually download the video or change some extra settings. So this is pretty much it, the design of it. And yeah, let's see on the actual on my laptop to see what it looks like. So yeah, from what you had seen before from that design, this is what we have managed to implement, right? Just like the design I had shown you previously. So this is the design we've implemented. Here is our search bar, here is our add and like add new content in our folder. These will be pop-ups, like when you click, there's a model that will open. Right now it's not there because like time. So yeah, these are the previously generated like content, right? This is just like test data because like, yeah. So now as you can see, these are just like anime profile things because I'm big into anime, but like this is what it would look like if it like generated the content. And then when you click on it, you'll get to what? Click. Yeah, you'll open your editor, just like how it had seen, where it's like, yo, these are the what? These are the different scenes, right? The scenes where you can click to edit, and then this is where you can edit a scene upon selection, right? You can edit the text, the media file, the audio, and the shapes, and then you can download it. This is the title of the video right here, the title, and then here you can
I'm not here every week anymore.
This is like, I do not know if you guys watch the WWE, but this is like Roman Reigns. I'm a big fan, so I just used a demo video of him, right? So we have that. Bruh, this should be bugging. Sorry about that. Remix, like the server is always glitching and up to no good, or maybe it's because of my own skill issues. I don't know, but I digress. Anywho, we have our generate page, right? So this is where you can generate a normal AI video, an AI image, or an AI product video. So when you click on this, it opens the actual pop-up. This time I had to implement it because this is like really important functionality that is going to connect to like external APIs and generate your video. So you enter in your prompt, you select the duration of your video, the aspect ratio for different like platforms you want to upload the video to, the video tone, right? Is it motivational, inspiring, fantasy, storytelling, and all that? And then the style of the video, right? There are like different styles, and as we go along, I will be demonstrating the different things. Then you can just click on generate video and it will generate you the AI video, probably. And then for the image, the same thing. You just enter the description, you choose the aspect ratio of your image and the style of your image, and then you click generate and it generates your image. And then for the product, it also does the same thing, but instead of like a description, now you are adding the URL, right? So when I mean URL, I mean just go to like say laptop Amazon, right? Say you are using like Amazon or Shop. I don't have a Shopify store, so like, bruh, this thing be bugging, bruh. Like, yeah. So just hold on, guys. Just hold on. I'm just demoing. Type she, bro. Like anyone, it doesn't really matter. I be bugging sometimes. Yeah, so what you do with this, so you just go over here to your top navbar, you copy this like Control C or Command C on Mac, open here and just paste this in, and then you choose your duration and then click on generate to generate the product. Right now I have not connected the what's this, the API, so it will currently not properly work. So yeah, but this is how it will fundamentally work. And then we'll have our templates, right? I don't know why it zoomed in. No. Anywho, so on our templates page, these are all the available templates, right? Where you just be like the header image, the title. And yeah, I just use Sukna because I am a big fan. He's also on my like profile picture. I'm not sure if you can clearly see this, but now templates can be filtered out. Like this page is kind of like bland right now, but we'll fix it down the line. Like that's what we do. Like with me, that's what I do. I just fix things along the way, because like nothing is ever truly perfect, and we'll fix it along the way and we'll do our best. So you can filter by videos, images, or product videos, like by aspect ratio and by the type, whether it's business, social media, product description, educational, or tutorials. So that is how you filter the templates you see here. And upon clicking the template, you'll be taken to where the editor page as well, where you can also edit the template as well, just in case you do not like the template, right? So as you can see, it takes you to the same page, but like this is how it should work in theory, probably, but we will see. As I'd already said, this is software and nothing ever goes as planned. So maybe it'll work, maybe it won't work. But all I know is that we'll fix it either way. And yeah, that is yeah. So that is, sorry about that. That's my cousin type sheet. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one and with a much better update. What I'll be currently doing right now is I'll start connecting with, I'll start working on the first feature set. So which means I'll start connecting like the Facebook's API, Instagram, and all that. So you can start making the content and start testing it out and scheduling out the content, and we can see what we can probably do. So that will be coming up next, and this is what we've done for today, and I'll see you on the next one. If there's anyone watching, I'll see you on the next one. If there's no one watching, well, it is what it is, eh? It is what it is. We ball either way, man. We ball. So, your favorite developer with skill issues is logging out. Thank you.